Hello collectors, today we are talking about unmarked sterling silver 1 Israeli pound from 1952. In 1952, the Israeli government decided to stop using the Anglo-Palestinian pound and switch it into the Bank Leumi. The Bank Leumi at that time was owned by the Jewish agency. They have created the sterling silver for Memorial 1 because there is no serial number. You cannot take that into the store and you cannot sell or buy with it. And also they have minted the regular note with the serial numbers on it, as you see right here. We will talk about that in the future. As you see, Bank Leumi, the same thing as this one with the serial number, and this one a sterling silver. In here you see the state of Israel. Hold on, why it's not coming that clear? The state of Israel, you see, and on the other side you will see it is silver 925 800 1250, I think 12050. So this is the sterling silver. Bank Leumi, I don't know how many they minted at that time. I tried to find out and I could not. There was no record, or I didn't look at the right place. But anyway, sterling silver 1 Bank Leumi Israeli pound from 1952. I don't know if there's any more left of those. This is in excellent condition, as you see. And we will make some more about the new currency. They decided to change from Bank Leumi because the people did not like the design of this. So they created the half a lira and the 1 lira, and we'll talk about that in the future. But as you see, 1958 right here, 1958. So they changed the currency from the Bank Leumi into the Israeli Lira Bank of Israel. Until then, collectors, so long. I hope you enjoyed. If you are a first time, give us a like, comment, subscribe to us, and hopefully we'll continue making some more videos, some more exciting things for you. For now, so long.